Welcome all. In this video, we are going to see about smart farming. Smart farming, a key to developing sustainable agriculture. I am RKM Harish Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering in Erode Sengundar Engineering College. Now I am going to tell about what is smart farming and its role in sustainable agriculture. Smart farming, it is the future of agriculture. Smart farming, it was developed in 1999 by Kevin Aston. Smart farming is the alternative way for conventional farming. Smart farming is a conceptual idea of about how to cultivate by using latest technology and increase the yield. It introduces many connected models and solutions for agriculture, from drones to sensors, satellites, with the use of limited knowledge of IoT, that means Internet of Things. To start the smart farming, one should consider the following points. Farming must be done in latest ways. Farming must not lead to pollution and use of hybrid seeds. Why we need a smart farming? For demand of food. So it boosts the demand for smart farming. The smart farming engages advanced methods such as IoT, Internet of Things, Big Data, GPS, Global Positioning System, sensors, and precision and automated farming. Automated farming. It is the collection of data and analysis of data to take the decision in order to increase the quality of crops. Data are collected through sensors, cameras, and microcontrollers and actuators. Internet of Things, shortly called as IoT. It is an automated network of connecting computers, devices, sensors, which can process their own data, have huge impact on business industries, including agriculture. In developing countries, markets like India, the IoT devices at a linear growth rate. It have been deployed in farming field for the condition of weather, temperature, humidity, growth and acidity. The sensors are connected to the gateways and the data is stored in the cloud and shared to the system. It includes livestock tracking and geofencing, sensor based field and resource mapping, statistics on livestock feeding and produce, remote equipment monitoring, remote crop monitoring, smart logistics and warehousing, predictive analytics for crops and livestock, farming management information system FMIS. It is a planned system for collecting, processing, storing, and disseminating data in farm need to carry out a farm's operation and functions. Accurate and easy to use. Fundamentally important for a successful operational management. Precision farming. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture, it is also called as satellite farming, approach to farm management that uses information technology to ensure that the crops and soil receive exactly what they need for optimum health and productivity. Its main goal to ensure profitability, sustainability and protection of the environment. Precision agriculture can help the farmers to achieve greater sustainability and environmental protection, higher productivity, economic benefits. It includes real-time data, the data about condition of the crops, soil, and air. Also give other relevant information such as labor cost and equipment availability. Predictive analysis. Software uses data to provide farmers with guidance about crop rotation, optimal planting and harvesting times. Drones provide farmers with real time images of individual plants. Sensors measure the moisture content, temperature of the soil, and surrounding air. It is a familiar one. Advantage of precision farming. It monitors the soil and plant physiochemical parameters by placing the sensors to the plant. The application of sensing devices in your field will allow a continuous monitoring of the parameters, will offer real-time data, provide better information for management decision, provide better farm records essential for sale and succession. Disadvantages. High capital cost may discourage farmer to not adopt this method of farming. Precision agriculture techniques are still under development and requires expert advice before actual implementations. It is extremely difficult task, particularly the collection and analysis of data. Precision agriculture is the best example of digital transformation. Agricultural automation and robots. It is also included in smart farming. Agriculture automation and robotics. The process of applying robotics, automatic control, and artificial intelligence techniques at all levels of agriculture production, farm boats and farm drones. Farm boats. It creates an open and accessible technology aiding everyone to grow food for everyone. Variety of crops can cultivate at the same time within the same area. Farm board Genesis is able to produce plant over 30 crops at the same time, including potatoes, peas, chard, etc. It can able to operate both indoor and outdoors. It can produce 25% fewer carbon dioxide emissions than standard US food production. Why? Because it is the farm boats. It utilizes solar energy. There is no need of fossil fuels. So it produces fewer carbon dioxide. Also, it can perform almost all the processes prior to harvesting. So, in this video, we have seen what is called smart farming and what is called farm management information system and what is precision farming and automation farming. In the automation farming, we have seen about what is called farm boats. In the next video, we can see hydroponics, heliculture, and different methods of smart farming included in this agriculture. Thank you.